Hi, Nixie here from Diode Dynamics. Today, I'm going to show you how to install our new SLF LED fog light into your 2018 and up Jeep Wrangler. This installation is very simple, should only take about 20 to 40 minutes with basic hand tools required. Let's get started. For this installation, we're going to need to remove this trim piece here, which has 8 rivets. We'll use either a flathead screwdriver or a plastic removal tool. Just simply pry these out like so. Okay. Then we'll work our way around and get these out. Now that you've removed those 8 plastic rivets, we're going to transition over to the wheel liner so we can take it out. Now that we've removed those 8 plastic rivets that are holding on the trim, we'll use the 7mm ratchet here to take off 2 bolts on either side of the Jeep that are holding on that trim piece. While you're back here, you'll want to take your Torx T20 bit and remove these 3 bolts that are holding in this liner so you can gain access to the fog light location. With the plastic rivets removed and the bolts taken out, we can remove this liner, place this over here, and then gain access to the bulbs. Now that you've removed the plastic trim piece here and pulled back this liner by removing these 3 screws, we can pop this back, press the tabs here and pull out our H16 bulb, which we then press the connector here, pull that out, set that down here. And we'll take our Diode Dynamics SLF replacement, plug that directly into the factory socket, like so. Then we will plug this back into the factory housing, making sure everything is tucked in there nicely and that everything is aligned properly. And we'll want to make sure it clicks in place. Then we'll pull this trim back, follow the same procedure on the other side, put these screws back in, put the trim piece back in, and we're good to go. Now that you've completed installation, you'll have significantly more usable output in addition to a nice cool white color thanks to these Diode Dynamics USA made SLF replacements. The installation only took about 20 to 40 minutes with just basic tools required. For more information on our products, visit our website diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.